Hello everyone. Dowry is a curse. The dowry system is a curse. English name of language होता है the English, the Englishman, the English teacher, the teacher of English. Geography, the study of the earth, the earth. Name of rivers, continents, countries like the moon, the earth, the sun, the Ganga, the Ramayana. अब हम गो के बारे में बात करते हैं। अगर गो हम हर दिन एक जगह पर जाते हैं तो वहाँ जनरली गो के साथ दी का यूज नहीं करते, लेकिन आप कोई विजिट पर्पज से जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पर दी का यूज कर सकते हो। जैसे कि आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल, ये तो स्टूडेंट हर दिन स्कूल जाएगा दोस्त। आई एम गोइंग टू द स्कूल, मैं फादर हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए स्कूल जा रहा हूँ आज को। He suggested to his brother that he should go to school. ठीक है ना? The boy said to the old man, I am going to school. His father told my uncle that he was going to the school. He was an atheist, but now he goes to church and offers prayers for hours. His father did not let him go to the cinema. After returning from jail, he goes to temple and offers prayer for hours. He was sent to jail because he killed a boy. He was sent to the jail to kill a thief there. This is very complicated. The director and producer is ready to help you. The director and the producer are going there. He helps the poor. The poor are helped by him. Okay, you should remember it. अब बात करते हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री, कंपेरेटिव डिग्री और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के बारे में। गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रॉन्गर, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, इंटेलिजेंट, मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट। द एडजेक्टिव इजकल टू एडजेक्टिव प्लस पीपल। द रिच इजकल टू रिच पीपल। द पुअर इजकल टू पुअर पीपल। आई मेट द रिच मैन हु ऑलवेज हेल्प्स यू। आई नो ये रिच मैन हु मे हेल्प यू। ही इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन हिज फ्रेंड। One of two chairs, which one is the better? You have two sons, but I want to know which one is the more intelligent of the two. A parallel effect. The more you song this song, the more you like it. So, the sooner you realize your mistake, the better it will be for you. Mohan is the best student. He is my best player. He is my best player. Okay. I met the two students who play with you. I want I want two students to help me. The first chapter has been taught. The first two chapters have been taught. An easy and simple question was given. Yes, easy question and a simple question were given. A easy and a simple question were given. A real and interesting story was written by him. A real story and an interesting story were written by him. A real and an interesting story were written by him. The plus singular plural noun. The real and interesting story was written by him. The real story and the interesting story were written by him. The real stories and the interesting stories were written by him. The real and interesting stories were written by him. ये रियल एंड फेक स्टोरी एक साथ नहीं हो सकता, इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा ये तो। ये रियल स्टोरी एंड ये फेक स्टोरी वे रिटन बाय हिम। ये रियल एंड ये फेक स्टोरी वे रिटन बाय हिम। द रियल एंड द फेक स्टोरी वे रिटन बाय हिम। द रियल एंड द फेक स्टोरीज वे रिटन बाय हिम। अब फ्यू के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो फ्यू जो होता है वो काउंटेबल होता है, लिटल जो होता है अनकाउंटेबल होता है। ये फ्यू जो होता है वो काउंटेबल होता है, ये जो लिटल अनकाउंटेबल होता है। द फ्यू जो होता है वो काउंटेबल होता है। द फ्यू जो होता है, द लिटल जो होता है वो अनकाउंटेबल होता है। ओनली ये फ्यू जो होता है वो काउंटेबल होता है। ओनली ये लिटल जो अनकाउंटेबल होता है। इसके वजह इस तरीके से सबको सब कुछ करना है। आई इन्वाइटेड द फ्यू फ्रेंड्स दैट I have in Delhi. I have only a few friends. I have a little water use up of. The friend of me will go there. A friend of mine will help you. A friend of his will help you. The center of attraction, the father of so on. This type of plus now. That type of plus now. This type of man can do it. The son of a teacher came here to help me. I cannot solve these sorts of problem. The ABC मतलब basic. The flowing month. ये lots of ये certain ये number, the number of many plus plural noun, ये many plus plural noun, many ये n plus singular noun, many boys were there, ये many boys were there, many ये boy was there. Expression for article, only one TV when we are asking TV concert. He was watching the TV at the beginning, at the end, at the moment. I do not have any work to do at the moment. Please get to the point. By the way, where are you going? In the corner, in the middle. Her mother asked her to make the bed. This question is of the point. This boy is on the alert. He told her that his house is on the right. I heard it on the radio. You have to tell me the truth. We stopped at Agra, the way to Delhi. A lot of many and plus singular noun. Ye many, ye certain. As a result, as a whole, at a loss, at a time. Do me a favor. Let us go for a walk. He has a cold. I have a cold. Have a good time. I have a headache. I have a problem with mathematics. I am in a hurry. Take a break. I told him a nice joke. Do not tell a lie. Expression without articles. Set one fire by mistake, by chance, at last, at best, at least. बाय हार्ट, डे बाय डे, फेस टू फेस, रूट जैसे कि बाय बस, बाय कार, बाय ट्रेन। ही गोज टू वर्क, लेट्स हैव फन, इन एडवांस, इन फैक्ट, इन जनरल, इन रियलिटी, in trouble, take care of, word for word, in conclusion. He always remains in a temper, don't lose heart. Mohan, you can do this work today. पापा ये रोहन wants to meet you, कोई भी रोहन मिलना चाहता है उससे. I want to meet Mr. Sharma. We have 3 Sharmas in our office. The Mr. Sharma who always helps the poor. The great Asoka. He is the Dhoni of our team. I read the Ramayana 2 times. I have read the Ramayana of Valmiki 2 times. I have read the Valmiki Ramayana. ये गलत होगा. In the night, particular night, at night, common night. I sleep late at night. You have to tell me what you see in the night. Most student मतलब सभी स्टूडेंट पर लागू होने वाली बात. Most of the student मतलब उन स्टूडेंट्स में से ज़्यादातर पर लागू होने वाली बात.